A stock market, or share market. To be listed, and issued shares, stocks, bonds, and other securities on an exchange, the company must meet initial listing standards, as well as continued listing standards after that. If a company fails to meet these requirements, it will be removed or delisted from the stock exchange. The specific policies about financial and non-financial statements, stock price, the face value, and the number of shares and shareholders of the company must be transparent. Via the stock market, companies can raise additional capital to expand their businesses by selling shares of ownership of the company. When the trading is done, equities and interest will be conferred to the owner's stocks or shares. Most stockbrokers and traders take part in the stock market. This makes the securities more liquid than property, immovable assets, and real estate. Global Stock Market Index consists of American, Asian, and European stock markets. The figures on the stock market index, also called indicators and charts, will give information about a country's economic strength and development. When the stock market is on the rise, the line on the chart goes up. It means this is an up-and-coming economy. When share prices on the stock exchanges dipped sharply due to economic factors, panic, or investors' loss of confidence, stock market is risky to be crashed. Stock market crash will end speculative, economic bubbles. In a sale, offer price, ask price, is often higher than the bid price. Following the rules to make a buy order and sell order, or to bid and ask for a certain kind of share, the participants have to place or set buy order or sell order, so that the stock exchanges base on these orders to execute. When the two orders match each other, it means two parties agreed on a price. The trading is considered done. The bid volume and the ask volume will directly affect the up and down price trend of stock market. The price is more likely to move up than down, or move down than up, depending on the selling force and buying force. People will make money when there are changes of the bull market and bear market. Specifically, up and down fluctuation of stock market form a difference between bid and ask, known as bid-ask spread, or simply spread. The stock market is bullish if buying, also known as going long, is increased, and it's bearish if selling, also known as going short, is decreased. Exchange rate. A modification of monetary policy from the government will affect interest rates. Printing more money and cutting down the money supply by changing or adjusting interest rates or removing excess reserves will be carried out by the related departments of the state. There are two types of currency, local currency and foreign currency. The foreign exchange market takes place continuously, 24 hours a day, except weekends. The spot exchange rate is the spot rate, or current exchange rate, that is quoted and traded at the time of the transaction. The forward exchange rate is applied with the spot rate of today, but delivery and payment will be carried out on a specific future date, based on the contract. Basic parameters of a margin account consist of equity, balance, free margin, and margin level. USD compared VND equals 22,000. In this quotation, a currency pair's exchange rate, denoted as USD /VND, is a direct quote, because the trader is in America. USD is the base currency, and VND is the quote currency, known as the counter currency. The USD/VND currency pair means that // the exchange rate of USD to VND is 22,000 US dollars rate, as opposed to VN Dong, is 22,000. $1 is worth 22,000 VN Dong. $1 equals 22,000 VN Dong. It costs 22,000 VN Dong for $1. 22,000 VN Dong will be exchanged for $1. $1 will be exchanged for 22,000 VN Dong. 1 USD relates to 22,000 VND. 1 USD is valued at 22,000 Dong. VND compared USD equals 0.00004545. Notice, if the position of the currencies are switched, 1 VND compared to USD equals 0.00004545. Formula: 1/22,000 is equal to 0.00004545. 1 divided by 22,000 equals 0.00004545. 1 divided by 22,000 is 0.00004545. Divide 1 by 22,000 to get 0.00004545. $1 equals 100 cents. 0.04545 equals 4.545 cents. 1,000 VN Dong is worth 4.545 cents. USD to VND equals 22.630 to 22.860. A trick to help you remember without being mistaken is, you buy on the ask price and sell on the bid price. To buy $1, you must pay 22.860 VND. To buy $1 for VND, you must spend 22.860 VND. To sell $1, you will receive 22.630 VND in return. To sell $1 for VND, you will sell at the price $22.630. Note that, rounding errors, round up or round down, makes the conversion inexact. In normal circumstances, there is a convention for writing in the exchange rate. If a bid price is 1/100th less than the currency unit of an ask price, there are only the last 2 digits of the 4 trailing digits expressed. In normal circumstances, there is a convention for writing in the exchange rate. If a bid price is 1/100th less than the currency unit of an ask price, there are only the last 2 digits of the 4 trailing digits expressed. List, listed, listed, listing, list, issue, issued, issued, issuing, issue, meet, met, met, meeting, meeting, fail, failed, failed, failing, failure, remove, removed, removed, removing, removal. Dip, dipped, dipped, dipping. Rise, rose, risen, rising. Form, formed, formed, forming, form. Be composed of. Comprise of. Include. Encompass. Consist of. Expand. Expanded. Expanded. Expanding. Expansion. Quote. Quoted. Quoted. Quoting. Quotation. Apply. Applied. Applied. Applying. Application. Applicant. Appliance. Carry. Carried. Carried. Carrying. Carrier. Equal. Equaled. Equaled. Equaling. Trade. Traded. Traded. Trading. Trader. Divide. Divided. Divided. Dividing. Division. Switch. Switched. Switched. Switching. Switch. Exchange. Exchanged. Exchanged. Exchanging. Mistake. Mistook. Mistaken. Mistaking. Mistake. Express. Expressed. Expressed. Expressing. Expression. Spread. 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 Spreading. Spread.